A young man who was driving and surfing his phone. The result was an intense busted kiss. It's worth mentioning that after the stab, the first thing he did was he bent down and picked up the phone. My phone. In the next life, we will be best friends again. Young man carrying girlfriend on tram. Plan to perform the supranational technique. AI with the backwire flips the train all over the road. It's a firefighter. You have to burn, literally. A mother was driving her child while looking at her phone. I fell on my face 3 times. In the same place within a minute. The child must have thought, "Mom, I have to go today, right?" He deserved the triple kill title. The young man was driving and fell asleep. Directly into the van that's parked on the side of the road. I don't know if I drink fake wine. I don't know why I slept so fast. This van is awake. A motorcycle ramming in front, waiting for a red light. Girl in the back, according to inertia, flies straight to the roof of the SUV. That's right. The guy on the roof of the SUV was crying. Then sitting in the back of a motorcycle laughing. A bicycle and an electric car meet. They both want to dodge to the right, so the beams on both sides measure the floor. Of course, where there are dragonflies, then there must be fung windows, appear counterweight. Young couple riding electric car, carrying each other, but with excess weight. The poor streetcar must be screaming. I finally understand what it means to be a horse. And I'd rather break it in the workshop. A man driving a BA wheel mistakes the GA foot for the brake foot. Drove off course into the crowd, eating at night on the side of the road. A swirl of heavenly troops. That made the whole food stand go up in smoke. The tool rotates to 3 new stops. The white guy standing next to him panicked for help. That AI called the police to help me with someone who wanted to track me down. Cam car is going high speed. I saw the van in front turn on the warning light. Should actively change lanes. I think the car behind me is speeding away. With ice all over the road. Changing lanes means looking in the mirror. It's not just going slow. The game is over, brothers. The white car ran over and hit the orange car and lost control. After a while, he couldn't hit the truck in front of him. It made a swivel jump and crashed right into the car. Rear loading. This phase is real. Let S go back to the theory now and then. A white car hit by a streetcar, and then dashed through the separator into the opposite lane. The white driver got out of the car, bewildered. I haven't seen anyone touch me in a long time. Tell the police that the car is running away. Time to look at the camera. The journey finds itself blaming the wrong person. The white car whispered, "You could tell me to drive poorly. But don't tell me, I don't respect the law."